Hello, my dear students of UKG. Welcome to the maths class. So, students, in our previous class, what we had done? We had done before and after numbers. So, students, before means backward counting or the previous number, and after means the forward counting or the next number. Remember? Okay. So students, today we are going to learn between numbers. So you know what is between? Between means in the middle of two things. Okay? So all of you focus on the board. So students, in between. Between means middle of two things. Okay? So between means, repeat after me. Between means in the middle of two things. Middle. Okay? So let me explain with the help of these pictures. So what you can see, number 1, you can see some trees, and I have written numbers from 11 to 16 on these trees. Okay? And if I ask you, tell me, which number comes in between 11 and 13? 11 and 13. Middle one. Middle of 11 and 13 is 12. Clear? Now, if I ask you, which number comes between 14 and 16? Comes between 14 and 16? Tell me the number. The number is 15. Clear? Next, if I ask you, see number 2, you can see 4 pots are there. If I ask you, which number comes between 1 and 3? 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Tell me which number. 2. 2 comes in between of 1 and 3. Okay? If I ask you, which number comes in between 2 and 4? This is 2 and this is 4. So tell me, which number comes in between 2 and 4? This is 2 and 4. The answer is number 3. Clear? Now, let us understand with the help of this number line. So you can see I have written the numbers from 1 to 10 on equal intervals. Okay? So 1 to 10 you can see. If I ask you, which number comes between 1 and 3? See, where is 1 and 3? 1 and 3. Which number comes in between 1 and 3? The number is 2. Very good. Now, if I ask you, which number comes in between 3 and 5? 3 and 5. Which number comes? 4. Very good. If I ask you, which number comes in between 5 and 7? 5 and 7, tell me. 6. Very good. If I ask you, which number comes in between 8 and 10? 8 and 10, which number comes in between? 9. Very good. Now, see the exercise, everyone. Now, see page number 28, everyone, in between. Now, we will do this exercise. Use the above number line. This is the number line and the numbers are written from 0 to 20 on it. And write the number that comes in between. So you have to observe this number line. You can take the help of this number line also. Okay. So you can see the first example. It is given in the book itself. 6 and 8. Which number comes between 6 and 8? 7. 6, 7, 8. Next. Which number comes between 12 and 14? 12, 13, 14. Next. 7 dash 9. 7, 8, 9. Next. 15 dash 17. 15, 16, 17. Very good. Next. 2 dash 4. 2, 3, 4. 16 dash 18. 16, 17, 18. 10 dash 12. 10, 11, 12. 14 dash 16. 14, 15, 16. 5, 6, 7. Next. 11, 12, 13. 17, 18, 19. 1, 2, 3. 9, 10, 11. 8, 9, 10. 13, 14, 15. 4, 5, 6. 18, 19, 20. 3, 4, 5. Very good. So, today we have done in between. I hope you all have understood this one. So students, that's all for today. Now I'm giving you some homework that you have to do in your maths copy. Okay students? And do complete your work on time. Okay? So students, have a nice day all and take care. See you in the next class. Now all of you please note down the questions.